What do you guys have coming out in the near future in automotive?
We got a bunch of the Snap Funny cars that were Tom Daniel and the 132nd. We're doing 4 of them. And as far as other cars, we got the big Jungle Gym version of this, which will be a little later in the year. What other cars we got? The 56 Caddy is an old 132nd Revell kit. We made new glass for. That'll be out later this year.
Yeah, we worked at 4 Tom Daniel Snap Funny cars. Those are coming.
Yeah.
Then next year we'll have some more.
Yeah, they got the art.
Oh, we're doing a big Jungle Gym.
Yep,
Just like the 16th scale.
Yeah, he's asking what other automotive. The Studebaker's not going to be. These are the funny cars here, the small ones. This is the Caddy. That's coming. Just made new, tooled up some new glass. These 2 are coming out too. The Mongoose. These are small, little dragster. Maybe you could take this catalog too if you want.
Okay.
Yeah, those will be some of the new things coming. Yeah. And we got a handful of other kits that'll be for later. The B36 Peacemaker with new art. This will be out later in the year, the old Aurora Silver Knight. And, oh yeah, these Fuzz.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
When's Super Fuzz coming out?
Fuzz is
Probably later in the year, yeah.
yeah, just a couple more months.
All right.
Yeah, probably September.
Nice.
We just got the test shots, did some builds. So.
Nice.
It's him and Flip Out. We don't have Speed Shift. That's the one that everyone has been looking for. That mold. We don't have all the parts for it. But
Okay.
so Super Fuzz and Flip Out.